Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Aman Singh and I'm part of the SikhiToTheMax team, and we are delighted to be able to announce a new feature that's just been released on SikhiToTheMax desktop called Bani Controller. What Bani Controller is going to allow you to do is control SikhiToTheMax for desktop using a mobile device. Now this is a feature that has been asked by most of our users for many years, and it's finally here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to control SikhiToTheMax for desktop using a mobile device. So here is my desktop, and I have SikhiToTheMax already open. And what I'm going to do is click on the sync icon, which is at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, and it has an icon with some mobile devices on there. And if I click that, it's going to bring me up this panel, and it's going to generate me a unique sync code and a PIN number. And this will change every time you open and close SikhiToTheMax desktop, so don't be worried if it changes. It's supposed to do that. What I'm going to do is take a note of that because I need to enter that into my mobile device. So let's bring up my mobile device on your screen. And here I've opened up SikhiToTheMax on my iPhone. And you can do this on Android devices, Apple devices, and literally any device that has a mobile browser. And it can also be any mobile browser as well. It doesn't have to be Safari. It can also be Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you like to use. And what you're going to do is go to SikhiToTheMax.com, click on this hamburger menu at the top right of the screen that has three little lines across it. And once you click on that, you're going to see the menu for SikhiToTheMax.com. Now what I'm going to do is click on the Bani controller link towards the bottom, and it's going to take me to this page. And here what I need to do is enter the code and PIN number that I just got from my desktop. And so in this case it's going to be TKTQXN. Now I don't need to type in the dash or the hyphen, it's going to automatically add that in for me. And then I'm going to enter in the PIN number, which is 3713, and click connect to desktop. And that's it. I'm now connected to the desktop. So what I can do is I can search for a Shabad now. Let's say I want to search for Bandana, Har Bandana, Gunagavo, Gopal Rai, and I'm using first letter search. So I'm just going to enter in the first four letters, which is Baba, Haha, Baba, Gaga, and I'm going to click search. And the result that I want is the second result, and so I click on that. And you'll see that now on my desktop, it is now presenting the Shabad that I just searched for, and it's highlighted the tuk that I just searched for and displayed it automatically on the screen. Now, as I change through my mobile device, let's say I go to the next tuk and I click on it, it's going to automatically change SikhiToTheMax in the background. And as I search through the Shabad, you'll notice that the tuk that I previously clicked on grays out, and so that helps me keep a track on which tuk has already been displayed, which is really handy when somebody is singing a Shabad and they're obviously going from Antara to Astai. You can keep a track on which Antare have already been sung, so you know which one you're about to go to next. And what you can also do is to go back to the original tuk that you searched for, you can just click on the home button at the bottom, and it will automatically display the tuk that you searched for in the beginning, which is probably the Astai most likely. And then what you can also do is, let's say halfway through a Shabad, the Kirtani starts doing Vaheguru Simran, you can click on Vaheguru and it will display the Vaheguru slide on your screen. And then you can also do the same for Mool Mantar, and then you can also just add a blank slide in if you wanted as well. Then if I wanted, I can just search for a new Shabad as I need to, and just display the next Shabad and keep going like that. And I can control SikhiToTheMax desktop as I normally would do, just using my mobile device. And that's really all there is to it. You can now control SikhiToTheMax for desktop using your mobile device. And it doesn't need to be connected to any Wi-Fi network or anything like that. You can control SikhiToTheMax desktop from your mobile device using just a 4G connection. And you can even control this from halfway across the world. This is going to allow you to be a lot more flexible, a lot more mobile with SikhiToTheMax. You could go and sit with the rest of the Sangat whilst the Kirtan is going on. You could go and sit with the Kirtani while still being able to control Sikhi to the max. And you could even go outside for a breath of fresh air while still being able to control Sikhi to the max for the Sangat inside the Darbar hall. That's it for this tutorial, and we really hope that you enjoy using Sikhi to the max and Bani controller. If you have any suggestions for us or notice any bugs or any feedback for us at all, just go to SikhiToTheMax.com and click on the feedback link at the bottom of the page.